Go! Good afternoon, Finn. Hello, Finn. Okay, all right, teacher first. Back. Very good. Very good, Finn. Now, let's start with your numbers. Okay, Finn? Finn, can you count the numbers? Finn, ready? Go. 1. Very good, Finn. Now, Finn, let's go to your phone next, okay, Finn? Can you tell me what is this? It's a... Very good. What color is this, Finn? What's the color of the dress? Yellow. Very good. How about this one, Finn? What food is this? It's a... Very good. Next, what animal is this? Duck. Okay, can you tell me what's the sound of the duck? Okay, that is the sound of the duck. How about this one, Finn? What is this? Donkey and? Dinosaur. Very good. Now let's go to your Halloween monster, Finn. Okay, Finn, is this an apple? Yes or no? No. What is this, Finn? Pumpkin. Very good. And what color is it, Finn? Orange. Very good. How about this one, Finn? What is this? Pirate. Very good. Is this a bat? Yes or no, Finn? No. What is it, Finn? It's spider. Very good. And how about this one, Finn? What is this? Superhero. And we have? Mommy. And next you have? Zombie. And how about this one, Finn? Witch. Very good. Okay, let's try colors. Finn, what color is this, Finn? Pink. And how about this one? Blue. Okay. Next, Finn, we have yellow. And we have green. And this one. Oh, it's okay. Oh, next, Finn. Purple. And last one is orange. Very good, Finn. Very good. Now you will say goodbye, teacher. Very good. Very good.